Hello, I am David. I'd like to present to you our strategy that I've built with Nicolas for the 7th cohort of the Hummingbot Bootcamp. So the goal is to manage the liquidity provision in Uniswap pools. Let me show you an example. So let's say that you have USDC and ETH pool, and you can see that you can choose the price ranges that you like to invest your liquidity, like to put your liquidity basically. The higher the range is, the more fees you are gathering. But you don't like to make the price ranges too tight, because then you are, if the price will go outside of this range, then you are not earning any fees. So you have to balance between how tight are the price ranges and how often you need to rebalance. So our logic is to, first of all, add the liquidity position initially, and then fetch current prices. Like, this is on-tick method. So on-tick, we're gonna fetch current prices and verify if the price is outside or inside the range. If the price is inside the range, do nothing. If the price goes outside of the range, then we are withdrawing position and rebalancing the portfolio. So we are swapping one asset for another. And then we are adding new position with updated range. So our position is always in the range, and our portfolio is balanced, so we are not suffering the impairment loss. So let me show you how it works in terms of the code. So here's the code for our script. It is coded in a strategy version 2. So the user have to provide a feature. This is how much gas the user gonna pay. The expected total position value. The price spread, it means like how tight should be these price ranges. The expected ratio between the two assets, and also the status report interval. The status report interval is that how often should the on-tick function run and verify if the price is outside of the range. We don't like to do it too often, not every 1 second, because like it's too much. Like this is on-chain actions, so yeah, it's not like transaction processing is like for 1-2 seconds, so we don't like to do it too often, but user can define it. So the main logic is here with create actions proposal. So we are verifying if script should be running, and then we are handling this time, how often it should run, and we are doing init task, which is just adding the initial liquidity position. And then we are running the main task, which is gathering the pool price, process the data, and then also verify if there is any active position. And then this is to handle asynchronous task. So the main function is not overrun the initial function, and then we are verifying these ranges. For now, we are just closing positions and set finish to true, but we are working on an improvement, so it's also gonna rebalance and add liquidity with new ranges. So the data that we are displaying and gathering is the pool price, the timestamp, trading pair, quote value, base value, or the fees, and price ranges. So for this demo, I'm running this over Ethereum and USDC pair on Arbitrum, and I'm choosing very tight price ranges. So let me run the script. So we are waiting for the Arbitrum connector to be ready. And you can see that we are creating new position over these price ranges. If I run status command, I'm gonna see that we are trading this pair, the current ranges, you see it's very tight, and the value of the position, each quote and base and total value. So yeah, that's our strategy. Thank you for watching this.